Ever wondered about the downsides of the reciprocating internal combustion engine, the power source of most vehicles? First up, vibrations. These engines create significant vibrations due to the back and forth motion of their pistons. This can lead to wear and tear and a less smooth ride. Next, fossil fuels. The burning of these fuels contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, a leading cause of climate change. Plus, they're not renewable, meaning we could run out. Finally, balancing problems. It's hard to perfectly balance all the moving parts in these engines, which can lead to uneven performance and increased wear. That's it. A quick look at why the reciprocating IC engine isn't perfect. Thanks for tuning in.